Hello and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable notifications from the Trip.com app on your Android phone. If you find these notifications distracting or unnecessary, this simple step-by-step guide will help you turn them off easily, saving you from unwanted alerts and interruptions. Locate the Trip.com app icon on your Android phone. Press and hold the Trip.com app icon until a menu appears. From the menu, tap on App Info to open the app settings. In the App Info screen, look for Manage Notifications and tap on it. Finally, toggle off the option labeled Allow Notifications to disable all notifications from Trip.com. That's it. You have successfully turned off notifications from the Trip.com app on your Android device. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.